Hi guys, I'll be doing a very basic rapid fire round with you. I'll be asking you a few questions and all you have to do is answer in a yes or no, okay? So you guys up for it? Okay.
Yeah.
Have you heard about Greta Thunberg?
No.
Environmentalist,
Yeah, okay.
kind of.
Yeah. Have you heard about Greta Thunberg?
Yeah.
Yes.
All of you have heard about her, right? Who is she?
I think she is from Switzerland. Or
नहीं, मतलब, who is she? What is she known for?
environmentalist.
Yeah.
Have you heard about Greta Thunberg?
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
Who is she?
environmentalist.
Environmentalist.
Okay. Do you know who's Greta Thunberg?
Greta Thunberg. Maybe I know, but not familiar.
Yes, I know.
Who is she?
He is environmentalist.
Do you know who is Shalu Marada Timmakka? Ever heard of her? No. Can you name any Indian environmentalist जिसने आपके हिसाब से काफ़ी ग्राउंड पे काम किया हो?
पीएन भगवती साहब, जस्टिस पीएन भगवती.
Environmentalist.
Do you know who is Shalu Marada Timmakka? Ever heard of her? No. Okay. Maybe can you name any Indian environmentalist who, according to you, has done some really good work on ground? कोई ऐसा environmentalist इंडिया से?
अमृता देवी बिश्नोई.
Chipko movement.
Have you heard of Shalu Marada Timmakka? Ever heard of her name? No. Okay. So do you know any Indian environmentalist जो maybe आपके हिसाब से जिन्होंने ground work किया हो? Any one environmentalist?
I'm not sure if he is environmentalist or not. Sonam Wangchuk.
Have you heard about the 27 years war by any chance? कहीं पर पढ़ा है, कहीं सुना है इसके बारे में 27 years war? नहीं. Okay. Do you know about the 27 years war? Ever heard of it? कहीं पढ़ा है, कुछ सुना है?
Dance between.
Never heard of it? Okay.
Think I listen it, but I don't.
You're not sure about it. Okay. Are you aware of the terms communism and capitalism?
Communism and capitalism.
मतलब सुना है, आइडिया है, सुना है, तीनों ने सुना है, राइट? हाँ. अच्छा, if I ask you, out of communism and capitalism, which one do you think gives more power to women? So what will be your pick?
Capitalism. मुझे नहीं लगता कि आइडियोलॉजी एम्पावर करती है वुमेन.
Communism is better than capitalism.
Okay, you think it gives more power to women? In the last 50 years, जहाँ जहाँ communist regime आया, can you name any 3 women leaders who have actually held power ऐसे communist regimes में over the last 50 years?
No. I will go for both the side.
Communism. So I think communism is more women. मतलब
More women friendly.
yeah.
Okay. So maybe over the last 50 years, जहाँ जहाँ communist regimes आई है ना, जिस किसी भी country में, can you name any 3 women leaders who have actually acquired power in such communist regimes?
Exactly, I don't know.
Exactly, नहीं पता. Okay. Do you think British rule in India was secular?
No, it was not secular.
It was not secular.
Is Britain a secular country?
No.
Do you think British rule in India was secular?
सेकुलर कह सकते हैं क्योंकि बहुत सारे चेंजेस लेके आए थे वो, तो सेकुलर कह सकते हैं.
आपके हिसाब से था?
सेम मॉडर्नाइजेशन होने की वजह से एक टाइप का मतलब वही लेकर आए थे तो कह सकते.
No, I don't think so.
No.
No.
Do you know who's Mother Teresa?
I actually know who is she, but I don't know actually what she's done in society.
Do you know her real name?
No.
You don't. Okay. Mother Teresa को जानते हैं?
जी जानते हैं मदद.
आपको उनका असली नाम पता है?
नहीं, फुल नेम तो उनका नहीं मालूम है मेरे को.
अच्छा, आप मदर टेरेसा को जानते हैं?
Yeah. All India. No.
Do you know her real name?
No. Sorry.
Not all Indians know her real name, हाँ? Okay, ठीक है. Thank you so much. Thank you.